All right, welcome to this training. I'm going to be showing you how to use Canva, and we're going to be using it to do 5 business documents. We're going to look at letterhead, we're going to look at business card, we're going to look at invoice, we're also going to look at how to develop proposal, and we're going to round up with your pitch deck document or presentation. So now let's go. The first thing you want to do if you are a new user to Canva is to go to your browser, and then of course make sure you have internet connection, and then you type canva.com. Press enter. It opens you to Canva environment. So for a new user, this is the way you will see it. So you can see that Canva has a free version. You can see that, and then you can see that it has a pro version. But the first thing you want to do is to sign up. So you sign up. So when you sign up, it will come to this place. So you will be given the opportunity to sign up with your email. So you can use your Google account, you can use your Facebook account, or you can even continue with a new email. So once you sign up and you are done with the sign up process, then the next thing will be to log in. So then you log in. So usually you come to the login environment and you log in with your Google account, or whichever account you use. So I used Google account, so I'll usually log in with my Google account. So once you are logged in into your Canva environment, this is the way you are going to see it. You are going to be logged in into your Canva design environment. So if you are a free user, you have some limitations, and you may need to subscribe if you want to be an extensive user. So let us start with letterhead. So you come to search. So the first thing you do, make sure you are in the home. So you see on the left side, we have home on the left side. So make sure you're in the home, and then in the home environment, you will see a search button. So you will type letterhead. You press enter on your keyboard. Then you will have a lot of letterhead suggestions. As you can see, you can see. So let's say I'll just pick one for the sake of this training. Maybe I pick this one. So when you are picking these things, if you are a free user, you need to look out for the ones that are free. For instance, you can see this is pro, you can see this is pro, So you need to see the one that is free. For instance, this is free. So if I choose this sample is free. I can say customize this template. So you keep searching. So Canva will give you a lot of free options that you can use. But in case you see the one that is you fancy and you want to use, if you really want it, then you should subscribe. So you can see the environment. So what you need to do here is to change this to your company name. So my company is Lead Vision. Okay, and maybe I want to change this to IT Solutions. Okay, so as you can see, that text is showing there. So if you come to the top here, you see alignment. I can align it to the center. Okay, so I can push it around with my mouse button the way I want. Then here you have logo. You can delete the logo they gave you, and go to your uploads. So usually Canva allows you to upload images that you can use. So I'm just going to use this one. So that's my logo. So I'm done with logo. So I will just resize from the edge and put it somewhere where I removed the other one. I think I removed it from here. Okay. So you position it wherever you want. Then your website, since you're using this template, you may want to follow what you are seeing there, so that you will your work will look professional. Okay. So that's the website. That's the website, and so I can change this text. All right. I must have done this several times. Okay. So that's my letterhead. So you can see that it's getting set. I mean, if I don't like the color, maybe if these colors that you are seeing here don't follow your organization color, you can always click on it. Come to the top here, you see where you have color, and then you look for your logo. The logo you place. So I will advise you put your logo first, so that your logo color will appear, then you can adopt it. So as you can see, I have adopted it. I can adopt it for this text also. I click on the text, I come to this A text color, and then I look for the logo, use the logo color. So your logo color, sometimes we have as much as 3, 4. So you play with the color. So I will use this lighter one for the one at the bottom. This particular bar, I will come to this color, and I will still make use of the logo color. And then of course for the one at the bottom, I'll click on it, go to the color, edit the color, still use the logo color. So I advise you to make use of your logo color, so that you can always have a standard color system for your document. Okay, so as you can see, my letterhead is getting set. Good. So you can arrange it, you can expand the text if you like. Maybe the text is too small, you can make yours bigger. Just drag it from that side, and then whatever you are seeing that you don't like, you can always reposition it. So for the text, you just change what you have there. You change what you have there. You change what you have there. Okay. Okay, so I'm sending this letter to someone. So let me say marketing manager. Then of course, so that's my recipient. I'll say John Doe. That's my recipient. And then of course I have the address section. It should be anything you want to put in the address. And then you can copy your text. Maybe you have a text from MS Word. Okay, so you can pick the text from the MS Word. You come to this place, you will highlight this, or you select it, and you right click and paste the text that you copied from the MS Word environment. You paste it here, and then you change all these text. You just overwrite them. You double click, you type over it. So whatever it is you want to do, you can always do it. You can scan your signature into the document, you upload the document, the signature, and then you bring it here. You just upload and then you drag it to this place. So you have your signature session. So like for instance, you see the style of this letterhead, it doesn't have the addresses at the top. So if you want to buy this style, if you want to adopt this style, you probably want to just put your address and your phone number and your email at the bottom. Okay. So as much as you can access, you select, so you can always use your own color. So you see that I changed the color coding. So you just place your color and your letterhead is ready. So what's the final thing to do when your letterhead is ready? So what you do is you come to share. All right, you come to share. So how do you want to download this letterhead? So maybe I want to download as PDF. So I'll just click download here and then select PDF. If I'm printing, I'll choose PDF printing for printing. If I'm sending by email or something, this is for email. So let's say I'm printing, I'll select this, and then of course I will just click download. So once you click download, it will download that file into your location where you want it to be. Okay, so wherever you want it to be is where it will download it to. So you can change the name. So maybe your company letterhead. All right. So you just save. Now, one other thing that I want to show you, what I normally do, if you want to print this, like you want to send it to printer to print, so this is what you should do. You should remove all this text. Okay, remove all the text. Remove all the text. Remove them. So you just click and you click this delete option. Remove this also. You just delete. Um, delete, delete. You can do box selection, but you have to be careful when you are doing box selection in Canva because you may select a frame and then everything will go once you press delete. So this one remains. So all you can see, it seems I have missed something. It seems I have missed. So let me undo. Let me undo to see what is gone. So I must have removed something. Must have removed something careless. So I want to get this text at the bottom away. So what I'll do is I'll move this thing away temporarily and then select this text, remove them. I don't want them. Then I will now push this thing back to where it was. So that was where I had it. So it's a design that made that place look special. So you will not delete that. So you will put your address and put everything. And then your letterhead. So maybe you want to print bulk letterhead so that maybe when you go to business center, you will just give them the letterhead for them to print. So this is what you are going to do. You delete all the text inside. Then you can now go to share. You can go to download. So you can pick your PDF for printing. Since you are printing this document, you should choose PDF print. This is the option that is best for printing. So you choose this and then you download. So it will start downloading and then you can now, so if you don't want to use, but I use PDF because it's quite easy to use PDF to print. With PDF, you can easily give any printer or your direct image printing. Just give them, they will print the PDF, and because you have chosen that format, best printing, the quality will be very, very high. So it will just print the best that you think, that you can imagine, and you will have a very, very clean document. So you change the name to your whatever it is, letterhead or something. Okay, so you can see that I've done two things. The first one is I did the letterhead with the text. So I wanted the text in there, and then I wanted to print directly. So this will be when you are trying to print directly, and you can see as good as it is, I have my letterhead opened in the PDF session. So for the second one, look at it, clean and clear. All you just need to do is send this to the printer and you have your letterhead. Okay, so like this video, share with other people, send comments in the comment section. I want to hear your comments. And of course, subscribe to the YouTube channel. It's very, very, very important. Subscribe to the channel so that as more learning contents begin to drop, you'll be able to catch up with them. The next video is going to be on business cards. You can even see the sign at the top there. You can click it if it's showing at the top, and then you can get to watch the next video. That is how to design your business card.